Click on the link below to get discount. The Vibe S14K UHD Smart Board, a 75-inch digital whiteboard, is a game-changer for modern office environments. With its stunning 4K UHD resolution, the visual clarity is exceptional, making presentations and collaborative work remarkably engaging. The expansive screen size offers ample space for multiple users to interact simultaneously, catering perfectly to team meetings and brainstorming sessions. One of the standout features of the Vibe S1 is its intuitive user interface, which resembles popular mobile operating systems, making it easy for users of all tech levels to navigate. The touch responsiveness is smooth and accurate, allowing for natural writing and drawing experiences, akin to using a traditional whiteboard. The inclusion of multi-touch capabilities enables several participants to collaborate at once, enhancing teamwork and participation. The Smart Board's integration with various applications, such as Google Workspace and Microsoft Office, is seamless, enabling users to display documents and presentations directly from their devices without complicated setups. The wireless connectivity options, including screen mirroring, are a significant advantage, as they minimize clutter and enhance flexibility during meetings. Moreover, the Vibe S1 is equipped with built-in collaboration tools that facilitate real-time note-taking and idea sharing. Users can save their work in the cloud, ensuring that no ideas are lost after a meeting. The ability to record sessions for future reference adds another layer of utility, making it a valuable asset for businesses that prioritize knowledge retention. On the downside, the initial setup may require some time, particularly for users unfamiliar with digital whiteboards. Additionally, while the price point reflects the high-quality features, it may be a consideration for smaller businesses. Overall, the Vibe S14K UHD Smart Board stands out as an exceptional tool for any office looking to enhance productivity and collaboration. Its blend of user-friendly features, high-quality display, and effective collaboration tools makes it a worthy investment for fostering innovative teamwork.